Welcome to Shilar's Kitchen. Today we are going to explore Mediterranean dish, shakshuka, and for that you need a lot of chopped vegetables, but you can actually go only with onion, tomatoes and potatoes if you want. But for this particular recipe I am using the mixed colorful peppers, carrot, uh, mushrooms, tomatoes, garlic, onion and feta cheese and a Mexican mixed cheese. For the seasoning, the Goya seasoning mix and sea salt and some tomato sauce. I'm going to make it in the pan. You can also try baking it in the oven, but I'm going to do a pan recipe. I'm going to use the avocado oil, maybe like 2 tablespoons because it's a non-stick. Then I'm going to put the garlic, I'm going to saute this for some time. I'm going to throw some peppers, carrot, mushrooms, hello mushrooms, and the diced tomatoes. So basically you will have the base of all the chopped vegetables. You can add chopped potatoes too. I'm not doing it. I would rather take it as a mashed potato or baked potato on the side, or eat this particular dish with the bread. Going to add the tomato puree, sea salt. Now here, if you want the Indian version, you can add a little cumin and coriander powder, a little chili powder. But I'm going to basically add some pepper for the taste and some seasoning mix. Okay, I'm going to let this cook for a while, and once this base is ready, we are going to put the eggs, like 4 eggs, because it will be like a portion, 4 portions I'm going to make. So I'm going to take some time for letting this cook. Okay, this is nicely cooked, and even though it's not fully cooked, I'm okay with it. I'm going to toss feta cheese and other Mexican cheese and stir a little bit. Mix it well. Crack the eggs on top. Ideally you should crack like this, not this way, but that's fine. I have used four of the eggs. Let it cook. Here you go. So basically, being there are 4 eggs, you're going to cut it. Serve it like this, and you can eat with the bread roll or a baked potato. There you go.